Hi, today we're going to solve this infinity square root a plus. What's the value of this number? So if we let this number equals x, and if we start from the second square root a, it still has infinity square root a plus. So it is still x. Then we can write this equation as x equals square root a plus x. If we square both sides, we get x squared equals a plus x. That is x squared minus x minus a equals 0. This equation has two roots. X1 equals 1 plus square root 4a plus 1 or 2. X2 equals 1 minus square root 4a plus 1 over 2. We know that x is greater than 0 and a is greater than 0. But we also know that square root 4a plus 1 is greater than 0. So x2 is actually less than 0 or equal to 0. And so we need to partially reject x2. Only when a equals 0, the root is x2. And then when a is greater than 0, the root is x1. And then if we look at this in the coordinate plane, so the curve plus this equation is a equals x squared minus x. So if this is a, this is x, the curve is gonna be like this. So when a equals 0, the roots is here. And then when a is bigger than 0, the roots use this part of the curve. And then here is 1, here is 0.5. Okay, after doing this, then let's take a look at this example here, infinity square root 5, because a equals 5 is greater than 0. So the root is x1. 1 plus square root 4 times 5 plus 1 over 2, which is 1 plus square root 21 over 2.